Welcome to Research Rocks. This is the TCL TV model number QLED 780L 4K QLED TV 2026 model. I am purchasing this TV here in Copenhagen, Denmark. The TV price as Danish currency is 5,999 DKK, as Indian currency 80 to 85,000 INR in between. This is the 65-inch premium QLED TV. So it's really worth it to purchase as a comparison Sony Bravio. Previously I used in Sony model, but as a Sony comparison, TCL already acquired the Sony electronic company. So that point of view, I purchasing this TV. It's really amazing. And previously I make unboxing and purchasing video, you can see here in the screen. So in this video we will go through how you can connect the internet and how many facilities we are receiving in this particular television. We can see one by one. So first time, I'm not using any kind of TV channels. I just simply connect here internet and always access via internet all the TV channels, Netflix, YouTube, Amazon Prime and remaining TV channels, which TV channels I want watching using with this television. So first of all, this is the amazing TV as compared to other model. So we can go back here and I will show you. First of all, just simply turn it off the TV, and after you turn it on the TV, how you can connect all the devices like your speakers or internet. We can see one by one. So this is the TV frame. First time you need to add your email address here, means your account. You already created email address, so via your account you can go through with that. If it is not, skip it this one. And second thing, you need to enter here the quick setting option is available. This is the compared to other television, the quick setting option is one of the easiest convenience for us. Here our account information is available. You can switch the account if you want, create another account, so add your child or any other. So accordingly you should create a extra Google TV account as well. If I am saying hey Google, so Google is inbuilt available on this TV, and that one is a really amazing, impressive way recognition rate of the hey Google, especially hey Google, turn it off the TV. So using Google you can turn it off the TV. Everything is available on the screensaver is available. If you click here in the screensaver, here several screensaver is available. You can check one by one, or if you want add your personal photos, so you can connect here directly on the Google verification and then connect very easily in your personal screensaver. You should add here very easily via Google. Input devices like a Google TV, AirPlay and TV dish antenna as well. Second thing, display here. Next one is display related contrast we are receiving here, like a pictures present intelligence. Accordingly time and light, the screen is automatically changes colors as well. The screen automatically change the color as well. Here brightness, color. My personal opinion, company providing you the setting, this one is one of the best settings, so you can use this one. And especially here eye health protection is also available. If you turn it on this one, so color are little lower brightness, color is a change automatically. So this is the one of the best advantage if you use in eye detection color. We can go back here again, quick setting. Then here the sound, here the present sound quality is not good, as all TVs they are not providing any kind of sound qualities, and always use in Bluetooth speaker, which brand you are suitable accordingly. As a Wi-Fi, very easily connect the Wi-Fi for this TV. Just simply if you turn it off this one, Wi-Fi, and then turn it on this one, and first time you can very easily recognize how many Wi-Fi's you have. Now I have two Wi-Fi's automatically connected, and you can turn it off and then second day turn it on, so Wi-Fi is automatically detect and is connected very easily, nicely. If you want here in the Google Home, so as I already set up the Google Home, so I can provide the instruction, and then the Google Home are following my instruction to change the TV channels or application, or turn it off the TV as well. Here the Bluetooth, if you want add here extra speakers, so via Bluetooth you can very easily connect. I personally connected here, very easily connect here. I will show you the some voice as well. And then here accessibility. Inside the accessibility, caption, text to speech recognition is also available here. Some tools are available, which one you like, accordingly you should select. But most of time, my experience, I am not entering in accessibility. And some switch access to device, TV, turn it off, enable TV configuration. Here if you have set up Apple AirPlay and HomeKit, so you can configure here the like setup. Apple TV if you have, or AirPlay, so you can set up here via scanning this one and very easily set up this one. Like if you want share like your mobile phone, laptop or speaker, so AirPlay is one of the best and easiest way you can share your device to directly the television, and television can react accordingly. Cost to your TV related features, they are here. And then second thing, I will show you the picture quality of the TV. Here the all button is showing like a Netflix, Prime, Google Play, and you can press here the directly on YouTube. So YouTube is displaying here very easily. If I just simply play here one of my video, this is the quality. This is the 4K quality. I recorded video and quality is amazing for this TV. All the brightness, colors, exactly. If you are lover to Sony, so this is the compare to Sony, this is the best choice to purchase the TV as well. This is the overview of TCL 65 QLED 2026 model. If you have any question, you can ask me on comment section. I will help out you. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.